Our newly hailed Little Miss Sibit Sibit 2026 goes to... Muli po maraming salamat sa lahat ng kasama. Our Little Miss Sibit Sibit 2026 goes to... Sasha Isabella Jackson. As you can see right now, we are now witnessing the former winner, former Little Miss Sibit Sibit, awarding her crown to our newly declared and newly hailed Little Miss Sibit Sibit 2026. Kasama ang Sash. Sasha, here's your Sash. And Natalie, award is
Usog ka rito, usog.
Okay.
Usog doon. Natalie, usog. Pasok ka dito kay Chacha.